So a few days ago, I uploaded a video about editing a video in Windows Windows Video Editor. Um, and actually, as of recording this video, it is not uploaded. It is not edited yet. And what I thought would be fun is if I edited a video in the probably the most basic editing program ever. Um, Now, why don't we edit that video? The video of the most basic editing program ever in the editing program that Hollywood films use. So let's jump right into this. I think this is going to be a shit show. So here I am on my desktop. Got it right here. Avid Media Composer. Let's open it up and see what I've gotten myself into. I have not launched this yet. If I go to the Avid folder here, it has not been launched. This is my first time launching it. And I do not know anything about Avid. If you know me, I edit in Premiere. It's pinned to my taskbar right now. I edit in Premiere. But, hey, I think it would be fun to edit this in Avid. Okay. That took a little while. So enter project name to create. Windows Video Editor. Project location. I mean, yeah, this is probably fine for now because this is my only Avid project. Holy balls. It opened stuff up on both of my monitors. Okay. What if I unplug my monitor? That's gonna force it to all be on one, right? Okay. Here we go. This looks a little more like Premiere now that I unplugged my second monitor. That's kind of stupid. Drag clips here to start editing. Okay. Okay, HD 720. Okay. I don't need the second audio track. So some aspects of Premiere are the same. If you hold Alt and click on something, it just selects the one thing. Did it pre-add a text in here for me or no? Is that... And where's my... Oh, there's my preview. STD exception. Sexually transmitted disease. Okay, this is a mess. So when I scrub in the timeline, it does that. When I push to play, it does that. What? So some of these buttons are in the same place. Oh, God. I can't do that. Trim. Add edit. There. Okay. Then I can delete that and move that there. Jeez, this is complicated. Yeah, I definitely think Premiere is a lot better for beginners. I have heard once you get used to Avid, it's a lot better. But I have no clue what I'm doing right now. And I'm pretty good with Premiere. So, I mean, let's keep going. I said I was going to make this whole video in Avid. I'm going to make this whole video in Avid. Let's keep going. This is painful. I don't know where anything is. I can barely see this. I plugged my monitor back in. And it seems to be working now. But yeah, that's a not very good start for Avid. And yeah, that I don't know where anything is. But I mean, let's just keep moving along. This is not great so far. There's a bunch of stuff in here that I would edit out, but I really don't feel like trying to edit it out in Avid. I mean, I can try. Here, let me scrub through. Oh dear, what did I just do? Oh god. Okay, add and edit there. Now I will scrub through this footage in the video, find the point I want to cut at, and then add edit, I believe. Yes. So then cut that out and move that there. Beautiful. Oh god, it's gonna crash. Oh, it didn't crash. Okay. It just went not responding. Yeah, this is I don't really like this editing experience so far. I need to take a break and get to class in a few minutes. Though, I think I'm going to take a break right now and just watch some Avid tutorials. Let me save all bins. I don't know what that meant. Just save. And then close project. And then leave the application. So yeah, I'm going to watch some YouTube to learn. BRB. Okay. So, I found these videos here. They're uploaded by Avid, and it's an entire video series dedicated to switching from Premiere to Avid. And it's very clear that most people don't like the switch from Premiere to Avid. But yeah, let's continue our mission here. I will leave this playlist here as a link in the description. Starting at so this playlist also has just getting started with it. Getting started for high res workflows. Getting started with the Nublo titler. Then getting started with Media Composer for Adobe editors, and then to speed up your edits. I'll start it right here at the Adobe editor one, but you can always scroll up and get the getting started fast with Avid Media Composer. So yeah, let's go ahead and launch Avid again. Let's keep working on this thing. So how do I open a project? Open, yes, there, open. Okay. Okay. So all that'll be trimmed out for you guys. But I just spent about, I'd say about a half hour going through this footage and just trimming it up. Which is not bad. But I've just trimmed it so far. I'm gonna go back through and add stuff. I want to figure out how to speed stuff up because there's some stuff I want to speed up. Okay, so that is now super speed. This also needs to be super speed. Now I'm almost done. I'm gonna put a little title graphic in just saying, hey, if this is different from normal, I tortured myself making this video. So, you know, please like and subscribe. I need to lower the volume, but I don't know how to lower the volume. No, it doesn't matter. Exporting now.